Lupus is a debilitating disease. It's a systemic disorder where the immune system attacks the body's own tissues and organs. There are 4 different types of lupus: systemic lupus erythematosus, or SLE, which is the most common, cutaneous lupus, which occurs in the skin, drug-induced lupus, and neonatal lupus. All are contracted through a variety of ways. But regardless of the type of lupus, the diagnosis can be difficult because the symptoms present differently across all individuals. No 2 cases are exactly alike. In fact, the symptoms can present suddenly or over time, and they can all range from mild to severe. They can be temporary, permanent, or just be flare-ups. The most notable sign of lupus is a facial rash that occurs on the cheek and over the nose, almost representing a butterfly. But other common symptoms include fatigue, fever, joint pain, and swelling, the butterfly rash, photosensitivity, Raynaud syndrome, chest pain, shortness of breath, confusion, and memory loss, among much more. The cause of lupus is mostly unknown, but is thought to be influenced by environmental factors and genetic factors. It can actually wreak havoc on the entire body, causing complications for the brain, central nervous system, kidneys, and many others. So, what can be done about treating lupus? Well, the answer is not that simple because it presents differently across everyone. So, the focus is placed on treating the symptoms of lupus. Luckily, medical cannabis is able to help many of these symptoms. Cannabis is able to touch the pain and inflammation that happens with lupus and even help with the stress and anxiety and even the brain fog that happens with lupus sufferers. More research is needed in regard to which specific cannabinoids can be best used to help lupus. But in the research that has been done, CBD is lauded as the one that is most effective. But as always, contact a medical professional before treating lupus with medical cannabis. If you need legal access or want to know if it's right for you, contact us at Veriheal and we'll help you every step of the way. Thanks for watching.